FLIXBOLT. Like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell. The MX Ergo is a solid high-end trackball mouse that reduces hand and wrist movement. With many of us working from home and constantly on the computer, most people should look into using a trackball mouse. This will prevent moving your hand around. The MX Ergo is a welcome change, as it is one of the best devices in its class. Let's quickly unbox and review this device. Weighing at 259 grams, the MX Ergo is an extremely well-built and solid mouse. It is equipped with customizable buttons, a rechargeable battery and Bluetooth compatibility. You open the box and you will find the mouse, a unifying USB receiver, the charging cable and the instructions. The Logitech MX Ergo is priced at $100. There is two things you'll notice when you pick up the MX Ergo: the soft matte finish and that the device is solidly built. At the bottom of the unit there's a metal plate that allows a 20 degrees tilt of the mouse for comfort. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, the MX Ergo's battery is long-lasting and fast to recharge. It can last up to 4 months on a single charge. The preset software will install predefined settings. This will allow you to create and use many shortcuts for many popular applications and software like Chrome, Photoshop, and Zoom. The Logitech MX Ergo is an extremely comfortable trackball mouse with a relaxed tiltable grip. It possesses multiple buttons that can be customized and programmed to meet your needs. It has a great battery life and can swap between the included unifying receiver or Bluetooth connections. However, at $100 it is expensive and built for right-handed users. Also, if you are a gamer, this isn't the best gamer mouse. This mouse is better suited for business and productivity. If you are considering purchasing a MX Ergo trackball mouse, please consider using the sponsored link in the description. Thanks for watching this quick under 5-minute review. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of my other quick 5-minute reviews right here on the screen. FLIXBOLT out.